been here in our shop, which one would you like to try out?
Yeah, I love teas,
Some of
but
our tastes.
actually I've not tried any of these teas. But I'd like you to give me one of your teas that stands out.
Then, yeah,
one
then
of your best teas.
I can suggest to you the fruit teas. From among the fruit teas that we have, Wildberry Tea is one of our best sellers.
Wildberry tea.
Wildberry Tea.
Okay.
And that's actually one of our top favorites also.
Alright, so I'll definitely give it a try.
Okay.
And I hope I give it a good review.
Just
thank you so
feel free.
much. I appreciate
You're
your
welcome.
kindness.
Thank you.
Mr.
Thank
Rick.
you. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you
Mr.
here.
Harry. My
we
new friend.
met by mistake and now we're good friends.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is the beautiful place here, right here, and I have Mr.
Rick.
Mr. Rick.
Yes.
How
Welcome to
long
Island
have
Tea
you been
Company.
How long have you been in Dubai?
Dubai for around more than 15 years.
More than 15
Yeah.
years.
Yeah.
Wow, I've only been here like 3 years and I already feel like I've been here like forever.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good place. It's
Wow.
a nice country.
Wow, it's
We're
a nice
safe
country.
here. Yeah, we're safe.
Yeah, safety.
It's comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. The weather is extremely hot sometimes, but it's bearable. You can manage because almost everything is air conditioned.
Okay.
Even the bus stations are air conditioned. So the malls are fully air conditioned.
Wow. So tell us more about your teas now.
Yeah, we have natural Ceylon tea.
Yeah.
These are all from Sri Lanka. Yeah, tea lovers will be familiar with the Ceylon tea because it's one of the best in the world.
Okay.
And all our fruit milk teas are based on these tea leaves.
Okay.
The flavors are already infused in the teas.
Yeah.
So we don't have to get different flavors from.
Yeah, because I can see jasmine, mango,
and
chamomile,
strawberry, peach tea.
Arabian green tea, apple tea, and so on and so forth. So it's very nice that you have all of these teas. Do you have African customers?
Yes, we have African customers, regular customers. We have because this is Manila building, but a lot of African nationalities are staying also in this Satwa area.
Yeah.
They are staying in accommodations and in other places here, and they visit our place. They enjoy this place. They enjoy our teas. Yeah, they buy, they dine in or they take it away, take it home.
All right, that's nice. I can see that's Sri Lanka, yeah?
Yes.
That's the global treatment for Island Tea.
Yeah.
So Island Tea is like a brand globally, or it's just you who have Island
No,
Tea?
it's international.
It's an international
Yes.
brand. So
Yes.
it's just like
we have 100
franchise.
branches in the Philippines already.
Yeah, so
more
you-
than 100 branches.
So you just get a franchise,
Yes.
and then you can open up
Yeah.
Island Tea.
Yes, actually, if you have viewers that are
From Philippines,
or in your country, Africans that are
Interested?
interested to open a franchise, they can talk to us. We can present to them.
guys, I have something for you. You see this place? Can I take you around? Guys, you can see this place. It's owned by Island Tea. They have a franchise. If you're interested in owning something like this, I don't know if Island Tea will do the branding for you, but I don't know. Well, I'm here with
Rick.
Mr. Rick. Can you have a seat?
Yes.
Yeah, so we can just sit down and have a discussion. Yeah. Tell us a little about Island Tea and how one can become an investor or join the franchise of Island Tea.
We're open for franchise.
Okay.
We are the master franchises here in UAE,
Nice.
so they can talk to us and we'll assist them in whatever they would be interested in knowing about the company, about the brand, about how we operate, the operation goes,
Yeah.
and then we'll be able to discuss to them all the details in going to the next step. If they're really interested, if they have a place already, a space
Yeah.
that they're looking forward to build an Island Tea company, coffee
Yeah.
shop or milk tea shop,
Yeah.
then we can assist them.
Okay.
This is a franchise. That means the setup is standard.
Yeah.
We have procedures and guidelines
Okay.
and the handbook
Okay.
in order to put up a business like this.
Okay. So is this handbook something that one can get easily, or it takes a lot of time before you can?
No, if they set up an appointment with us, if they're really interested,
Yeah.
The initial meeting would be just us informing them about the product and
Okay.
about the franchise.
Okay.
And then if they're really interested, they have already a place, then we can assist them and look at the venue, see how it's going to be marketable.
Wow. That is very
Yeah.
nice.
Then we can show them the layout if they apply for a franchise and if they are approved for
Okay.
the franchise.
What I would like to ask you is, what are the financial implications? How much does one need to have before he can invest in such?
Yeah, that one would be discussed during the meetings because it depends on the size that they want to.
Yeah,
put up.
but
Yeah. Initially,
you
it
can
is
have
going
like
to
you can tell me, okay, this, if somebody has a minimum, what's the minimum that one
minimum,
can put?
it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult to give them a minimum because they're going to expect that price.
No. When you give me a minimum, you're just telling me that if you have anything above this, you can do this business. Because somebody's looking at, yes, it's a franchise, but maybe this thing I can't even get it because I don't even have it. And maybe the person already has even more than what is the minimum. So when I mean the minimum, this person needs to have like $10,000, or he needs to have like $20,000 minimum.
Yeah.
The person
I
needs to
understand.
have like a figure
Yeah.
before they can
At
say,
least.
okay, if I go here with my 30,000 and they say no, maybe I have to go and look for another extra 5,000.
Yeah.
So there has to be a general minimum.
Minimum is
Yes, and then there has to also be a basic requirement for space. What kind of space to this brand? Because every brand has a standard.
Yes.
You cannot tell me I want to open this coffee shop
Yeah.
and I just go to any side corner of the road
Yeah,
and I
but-
want to open it.
yeah, those
There have to be
details, yeah.
regulations
Yeah.
based on
Those-
that. So those are things I know you will discuss at the meeting
Yeah. Yeah.
with the person directly.
Yeah.
But to get someone who doesn't know anything, like has visited like me, to see the like to see the vision in it, you can give them like a standard. These are the what are the basic requirements? Basic.
Okay. Basic requirements would be at least around 10 square meters for a small kiosk.
Okay, 10 square
Yeah.
meters.
And it's actually
There are different standards.
Yeah.
That is to say,
yeah.
if you have 10 square meters, you can have
Yeah.
a particular type of shop.
Yeah, yeah.
If you have more than that, there's
Yes,
another type of
yeah.
shop. If you have a bigger, wider space, you can have another
Yeah.
level.
Yeah, and the minimum investment
Yes.
that's including the franchise fee
Yeah.
and all the others would be actually it's a little bit difficult to mention because there would be
I know there's
expecting-
difficult,
there-
but
it's
you,
going to be
you just
expecting,
give
but
me
yeah.
you just give me a minimum. level.
All right,
Yeah.
so maybe around 200,000 dirhams is the minimum.
Okay.
200,000 dirhams. That's it. And the details in it, it's going to be discussed during. If there's somebody interested to really set up an appointment with us, we'll discuss it in details. So,
Sorry,
yeah,
that's for a franchise.
yeah,
No matter the size of the shop,
yes.
the minimum is 200,000.
Minimum, yeah, would be 200,000
So,
dirhams. That's dirhams.
so this 200,000, is this money going to go? Money going to go into securing the shop, giving you everything that they need to give you, the coffee and everything, or is it just like a minimum deposit that you make, and then you have to do other things by yourself?
No, that would include the franchise fee,
Yeah.
so that
For how
they'd
long?
be allowed to use the trademark. And
Yeah. For how long?
That's going to be 2 years, every 2 years or 5 years. It depends on the contract.
Okay.
And that would have the initial inventory of the teas also
Okay.
to start up with.
The
And
keys that you need to start with.
yeah, the machines, the equipments are going to be included there based on the size of their plant,
Yeah.
their plant store.
Okay.
And the good thing is that we can assist them in looking for the standard, the proper equipments, the machines that
Okay.
they can put up in their stores.
So are they going to be the ones buying the equipment?
Yes.
Or the franchise is going to give them this equipment?
No, they're going to be the ones that are going to buy them, the machines, but we're going to be there to support them to help them determine which is the proper machine,
Okay.
which is the good quality machine, which is the not acceptable machines that they're going to purchase.
So this 200,000 that you pay, is there after the contract? Is there any kind of refund or it's?
No, it's with the construction, with the kiosk, and with the franchise fee. And again, this 200,000 is just an idea.
No, that's an idea. I know. I'm getting.
Yeah, because
but the construction, like fitting in the shop, apart from rent, you have to pay your rent yourself.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Here in UAE, Dubai, actually, we have to pay our own rent in the shops.
Yeah.
The franchise stores are not in charge of paying your rent.
Okay.
The franchisees, the business franchise owners are the ones responsible to pay the rent, to process the visas of their employees.
That's the business franchise.
Yes.
Will pay the rent.
The rent
for the shop.
Yes. The employees, the trade license to start up the business.
Okay. And
but as the master franchisees, I can help in assisting them with the step-by-step procedures.
Okay. So it means this 200,000 that you are paying covers some aspect of setting up the shop.
Yes.
So I don't have full details. I don't know how much. I'll try to convert that into dollar and see how much that is going to be.
Yes.
But,
and that's again a rough estimate because just to satisfy the viewers and at least to have somebody get interested in starting up the business if they have this amount. Like what you said, if I have only around 50,000 dirhams and I want to put up this milk tea shop, then I would just cross it out from my plans and look for another business. But the 200,000 dirhams is a rough estimate.
It's not a final estimate.
There's detailed discussion when
so what about if somebody has like 50 and maybe another person has 150? Does your franchise permit people to collaborate?
Yes.
Can they find collaborators for them? Or
they have to have an agreement. They have to be partners. And Dubai is allowing partnership. So you can actually they
get
have
somebody
to be in the same trade license. On their names, those investors.
The franchise does the trade license.
No, it's the DED, Department of.
No, I mean, what you said, they help in securing the place and paying the salaries.
The franchisees,
The franchisees would be the ones who pay the salaries.
Yes.
And then they also do. So what are the benefits for you? As in, after you pay this money, what are the benefits? I know you cannot break down everything for me, but for somebody who wants to invest, I have invested. How do I see my benefits? Do I make percentage from whatever I sell, or is it all goes to me and then I still get? How do I restock?
It goes like this: if you are the franchisee, you are the interested owner to own this business, you're just going to get a franchise from us. Then your earnings will be all yours, and if you have partners, you'll share equally depending on your agreement. Me as master franchisees here in the UAE, will just get a percentage of royalty from your sales. But all the profit, it's all yours. Apart, of course, out of the eliminating the cost, all the costs.
Yes. All profit goes to me.
Yes.
Just maybe a percentage of it.
Percentage of royalty goes to us
Goes to
and
the franchisee.
The franchisor in the Philippines.
Okay, you are the franchisee.
We are the master franchisees. In UAE. And if there's going to be interested investors, you are going to be, for example, you'll be interested. You'll be the sub-franchisee. And we have a franchisor. Our head office is the owner of the franchise in the Philippines.
That's really amazing. It's really amazing.
And it's good because it's a pleasure meeting you.
Africa, like I was telling your friend, your wife, I don't know. Tea, we have another tea in Africa, and we're still struggling to brand our tea, and we export it unprocessed, and then it's processed and brought back to Africa and sold back to us. So we're still trying to struggle to see how we can broaden our prospects and get to the level that we can sell our tea as finished product. The same way I'm seeing this tea here and you're saying Sri Lankan tea. you will never see tea that says African tea.
Yeah. Actually,
And we are some of the major producers of tea and coffee in the world,
I just
and even chocolate.
and if maybe one of your viewers would be
Yeah.
named Samson,
Yeah.
he just talked to me this morning
Yeah.
after our worship, before our worship service.
Okay.
He said he wants to introduce African tea
Yeah.
in
That's
UAE.
that's what I
because
was telling.
he's
There's a
telling
lot of
me
it.
There's a lot of good teas
There's
in
a
Africa.
lot of good tea.
His name is Samson. If
Okay.
you're a viewer,
I
then
would
we
love
just
that.
talked a while ago.
Oh.
This morning, we just
Oh.
talked this morning.
So I really appreciate your time sharing with me some detailed secrets about your business. Not everybody would want to share that. I'm not a professional economic or business guru,
Yeah.
so I might not have asked you those questions like a professional. But I'm just doing this based on what I do on creating content, and I'm sure I'll leave. If you can give me your email,
Yes.
I can put your email in the description. Anybody who wants to reach you can reach you through your email.
Yes.
And if you want to check out his shop, like I said, it's right here in Manila Mall,
Yeah.
like Manila Shopping Center. And yeah, this is the shop number 24, Manila Building, Al Satwa, Dubai. And it's open from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Guys, do try to check him out. Another question I failed to have asked you. Even though this place is mostly Filipinos inside, I wanted to ask you, have you worked with an African before?
Worked.
Or do you ever consider working with Africans?
Worked. I had, but not here. In
Yeah.
the previous. Mostly, I see them as energetic and happy people.
Just like we see you guys.
Yes, they're very, very joyful, very fun to be with. They're not boring. Most of them are not boring. They would really be fun to be with. Mr. Harry.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Wildberry
Wow.
Tea.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I've been given Wildberry tea here. Guys, I'm always lucky. And it's good to be a content creator. You go out and then you have some free tea, some free coffee, some free donuts sometimes. Anyway, it's not everybody who gets it. If you're blessed like me, you will get free things. And don't count on free things all the time. Sometimes try to buy for yourself sometimes. Wow, so Mr. Rick here just offered me this free tea. I'm gonna try it and give him my verdict.
Just punch it really hard. Yes.
Yep. So it's not just buying the tea, even punching it is something nice to try. Wow. It's something else. You know, I'm trying to draw it in. This one's down here at
Lychee.
the lychee.
Boba. Yeah.
Oh.
Popping boba. It's lychee flavor.
That's nice.
So the tea is wildberry tea.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I really appreciate it. Guys, please try to check him out and try out their Wildberry tea. And you have them like in different sizes or what? I see here.
Medium and large. Yeah. Medium and large.
Okay, they have the medium and they have the large. So you choose which one you want. Once in a while, take yourself out. If you can't do it every day, maybe month end when you have your pay, you can just come here and have one with a friend and have some good discussions. Shop number 24 Manila Building out Satwa, Dubai. I know I have a lot of you guys from Satwa who are watching me. Let's come here and not every time you're in limbo joints. You can come here and have some good tea and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you on the next one. God bless you. Let's see you. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you, Mr.
Thank
Rick.
you very much, Rick.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
My name
you.
is Harry. Rick and
Harry.
So maybe one day we'll want to company Rick and Harry Construction.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
your time as
Have
well.
a blessed day.
You